Touchless Carwash by Sabtech.
Easy to operate programmable touchscreen control. LED display with voice broadcast. Equipped with the function of cleaning the chassis and wheel hub. High pressure washing. The robot arm wash the car body at constant speed and pressure. Complete 360 degrees rotating within 60 seconds. Automatically adjust the ratio of a variety of liquids, including no scrub ordinary, washing liquid, washing foam liquid, and rain coating wax liquid. Washing cycle ranges from 4 to 6 minutes, depend on washing modes and vehicle size. Equipped with air dryers for quick and effective drying after wash. Park guidance to keep vehicle in washing range and prevent collision.